Mamá huevo. Digo, glu, 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 glu.
Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are thumping. And the jam.
Boom, 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 and let me hear you say well.
He's like laughing because we're all laughing with him back. She's saying.
This is supposed to be a punishment for you. Why is it a game?
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
No!
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
I prevented a murder today. Really? How? Self-control.
Lay down. Bronx, lay down. Lay down. Oh. Okay, that's a good boy.
Big night, let's play we, but the beat goes on and 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 on.
Look into my eyes, and you will see.
It's a hard knock life for us.
FOMO.
Relax. I just want to take some pictures.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Shh.
2, 1. I love. I don't.
Bam, 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 bam.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
We're gonna find something bad. Why? Walter. Why?
Ariana, what are you doing here? What are you doing?
It's like 10 minutes.
la compré y la va a compartir. La comida gratis me gusta a mí.
¡No vengas tú a joder, coño!
¡Ay!
¡Ramonazo!
La bebida gratis me gusta.
Looks like a pretty moo cow.
Daddy.
What I do, all I think about is you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you.